Hey guys, hope you're well. My name's Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. I just had this idea of this sort of fitness assistant agent made up of three workers. So I've gone over to a agent that I built in a previous video, my prompt engineering team. There's also a prompt engineering template with Flowise, so you can use that one or my one. I just have to go back through my channel to find my one. So there's three agents as part of this. The first agent basically takes pictures. Well, you can upload a picture of your food. It will calculate them, all the nutritional information, the calories, the micronutrients, the macronutrients. The second worker is the cupboard chef. You tell it what's in your cupboard, and it can tell you how to make nutritious meals from it. And the third is a fitness architect, that you just tell it what your goals are and all that kind of thing, and it will give you a workout plan. The prompt I gave it is just here. I want to create three agents. The first agent will calculate the calories, macros, and micronutrients of any picture of food. The second agent will create healthy meal plans based on food the user specifies is in their cupboard. And the third agent will generate workout plans based on the goal of the user, generate me a title and a prompt for each agent. So let me start to build it. Obviously, as usual, we start with the supervisor. Nothing we need to do to that. Oh, there we go. So it needs a tool calling chat model, as with all my videos, we're using chat OpenAI. Use a connect credential that I've already got here. Flowise key. If you don't already have one, you just need an OpenAI account, some credits, and you just need to fill out this, create new, get your API key from OpenAI, and give it a name. Then we get to pick our GPT model. I'm going to use GPT-4 Omni, the latest version. Set my temperature to 0.7. Don't need it to be massively creative, but we need it to be a little bit creative. And obviously, we have to allow image uploads, because one of the agents can take pictures of food or receive pictures of food and calculate the calories and everything. Connect tool calling chat model to chat OpenAI. And then we need three workers in the prompt engineering team. We've already got the roles and prompts for each of those. So let me get those. Okay, so agent one is known as the nutrient analyzer, and its prompt is here. I'll add the prompts to the comments in case you just want to copy word for word the ones I have used. Second agent is known as the cupboard chef. Sorry about my dog growling in the background. Its prompt is here. And the third agent is known as the fitness architect. Cool. So now all we have to do, we have our three workers, their titles and prompts. We just need to connect them all to the supervisor like this. Cool. Now that's all done. You can see the lines where they're all connected there. So if we save that, now we can test it out. So I've got a picture of a salad here. You can see there. Tell me the calories, macros, and micronutrients. Cool. So it analyzes what ingredients it can see, generates an approximate calories per serving, and tells us about proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and then tells us what vitamins are in there, like vitamin C from the tomatoes and mango, vitamin K from the greens, folate from the avocado, and the minerals, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. It tells us about the fiber, the healthy fats, the protein. All right, so next up, we're going to test the cupboard chef. So I'm going to say I have rice, spinach, and minced beef. What can I make? Knows to go to the cupboard chef. Cool. Tells me a few different recipes, as these do include having to buy other ingredients though. And then I haven't told it to do this, but then it's given it to the nutrient analyzer to calculate the nutrients of that. So I can then test the workout program agent. So if I just say I'm a beginner to the gym, I want to go 4 days a week and build muscle. And as you can see, creates a 4 day a week plan, gives us guidelines, notes, how to progress and everything. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. If you did enjoy the video, like and comment, subscribe to my channel if that was helpful. If you want me to build an AI agent for you, I've got links in the description. But yeah, overall, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.